Greetings, everyone from Miami, Florida. So, this series is going to be about cruising using Norwegian, and I'm on their ship, the Aqua. I want to really go into the details that other people do not cover from beginning to end when it comes to cruising tips, tricks, things that you should know about, things you'll be shocked and surprised about, and of course, everything that's fantastical about cruising as well. So, this is just an introduction, and we'll start by looking at the room, or these are called cabins that I am in for this trip. And I am actually solo on this trip, so I don't like sharing a room anyway. Other than if like my husband or daughter were here, but it's just me alone. They have things to do back in our great state. And just show you a little more of the Miami skyline. Of course, this is a city full of water, is how my daughter nicknamed it when she was a child. And I tend to agree with that. So here is the cabin. So they will put your name, of course, on the television. I have, and I'm going to go back to the front door, a cabin that's suitable. I believe it's for two people. And so you start with this entryway that has like a little, I guess I will call this the tiniest foyer ever, especially compared to the one in my own home, which is like a hall. But you have this cute little foyer. I can tell you I did an inspection, except for I did not look at the bathroom in detail. Spotless so far. And you guys know I am a stickler. I look in corners for lint. I look at like everything. So this is, like I said, a nice little area for you to start. This will go into in a moment. It's the bathroom, or the washroom, I think they call it on a ship. And the way that your lights stay on and do not go off are by using your key card. So if I remove the key card, you have like 5 minutes before all of the lights go out. Here's another place for you to keep your belongings. This one has little drawers at the bottom, as well as shelving and hanging space. There's a full-length mirror. Hi, it's me. And on the other side, same thing. You also, thankfully, because I wasn't sure about this, you have a safe which is bolted in. And that's important, especially because I'm a cash person. I mean, I do have cards, but I prefer to use cash at any opportunity that I can. You have a place to, you can bring in some more glassware if you want, but obviously these lips are here so that they don't go flying all over the place. Who uses this? People who are on ships, because that's the best way to get in contact with staff and services. And also on ships, you do have to pay for Wi-Fi. 0 minutes are included. I had Wi-Fi as part of the package that was purchased for me. And I actually ordered a dozen bottles of water. Unfortunately, it's Dasani. I do not like Dasani. I feel like it has some sort of flavor. I hope I'm wrong because I haven't had it in many years. But I will say what I like about this is they do use a little bit less plastic, but it's still plastic. Why can't we get water in glass bottles? And, that's at a decent price and high quality. So I believe, if going from memory, this was $24, I believe, or $23. So that's like a couple dollars per bottle. You are not allowed to bring your own water on ships anymore, or cases of soda. You can bring alcohol, which is ironic. The thing that's worse for you is what you can bring on a ship. There is a limit to the amount of alcohol you can bring per person who is of legal age in the United States. There's this little desk here, I will be using it as a vanity because hello, mirror, I mean, perfect. And yes, I have started to take things off of my body, such as belts and such, because it's been a long day. Nice, neat, closing drawer here. This is a weird place, but yes, that's where your blow dryer is. Definitely will be using that. And here you have this ottoman. I was just seeing if it opened, because sometimes they have them where you can put like your towels in there that were used. But cute little denim, faux leather, maybe real leather, I have no idea, ottoman. And have a little rubbish bin. And then over here you have a love seat. And that's why I believe this room is for 3 or 4 people, because I believe this pulls out to a bed. I will not be doing that because it's 100% unnecessary. Oh, also on the wall, so that you can, take best advantage of your closet space. You do have these hooks, which I would use like for a jacket, because I like to take my clothes out in advance, so I'm going to wear for that day or evening. Obviously, towels, beach towels especially, are perfect there. You have this really, I'm trying to see if I can make this. Oh, there you go. We have this really interesting feature wall with all of this like lighting underneath and down below. Obviously, there's some pole lighting here. A little vanity, I'm sorry, what are these called? Side table or nightstand. And this is a queen size bed. And the good thing is, guys, this is a real queen size. So it's not like, sometimes you go to a hotel or something, and I think it's probably the lower grade hotels, and they're like, oh, it's a queen, and you get there and it's like a full size bed. So this is great. We have a California king. So for me, I look at this and think, ooh, it's small. But then I think about our daughter's bed and I'm like, this is definitely a queen. And once again, more lighting. And I think this does, oh, that's charging. I was like, I think it does something more than just light. And once again, a little more stored. There's shelves here for some more storage space. And once again, I love the detail on this porthole window with the bolts. It's sort of a bit industrial. I don't know if it's coming across in the picture because it looks so dark, but you guys, there's a lot of light in this room. This window is huge. It's a huge window. It goes from here, here, and of course all the way up and down, 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 down. I am on the 5th deck. So if the ship goes down, I'm not going to have as long as people who are on an upper deck to get out of here, but I will do what I have to do to survive and get back to my family. And I already showed you this. I don't know what size television this is, and we have gigantic televisions in our house, and I am not boasting. Everybody has a gigantic television, but this looks a little bit small to me for some reason, but I believe it's at least 3 feet across, and I want to say it's no more than 2 feet high. I think that this television could have been larger, because especially when you have this wild, expansive, like, feature wall, it's just me. Like, believe me, this is more than adequate. So, let's go into what I think they call a washroom. We call it a bathroom, but this is the bathroom. It's definitely larger and has more in it than the pictures in the advertising show. It is, you guys, clean. And I am the pickiest of the pickiest of the pickiest people to the point that it's probably an issue, but get over it. Other people, there's nothing wrong with folks wanting things to be clean. Like, I believe when you go into a bathroom, even if it's in your own home, no one should know that anyone else has been there. So that's how detailed I believe things should be. But once again, lots of shelving, plenty of towels, and I have a lot of hair. So that's, good to see. They obviously put in the number of towels they believe the number of guests will require. Okay, this is a negative. I don't like seeing these fingerprints in lotion prints or whatever there, but I will clean that myself because, yeah, that's how bad I am, you guys. I'm telling you. Let me see, where's the light? There's a light in the shower, but I don't see how you turn it on. Or is that a light? Oh, I think maybe that's just the fan thing to take the humidity out. But there is, I'll even step in, and I'm fully clothed with my Doc Martens and everything in here. But this is a perfectly sized shower for one person. If you're going to try to do the vertical limbo or the, like with someone else in here, you're going to probably have issues. And who wants to touch all over like the walls? Ew. So I know people will do anything. So yeah, and I like the fact that we have like this in our home, where I like the shower head where I could take it off and like concentrate it wherever I want it, versus, sometimes you just don't want stuff right, especially if you don't wash your hair every day, which, believe it or not, you're not supposed to wash your hair every single day. That's why that's a good option. And then there's a line here, which I've been looking for our house, that you can use to, let some clothing that you hand wash or bathing suit items hang and dry. So that is the room. So I wanted to start there. And yes, this I can see being an issue for people because there's a lip here, probably to contain any water that might spill. But you need to be careful because you will trip and fall, and that would suck. Let's see what's under the bed. Under the bed, there's safety stuff just in case the ship goes down. You grab your, what are they called? Life jacket, but underneath, you could slip your suitcase under there instead of taking up room in the closet or closets. There's a couple, 3 of them. And then they leave, of course, all sorts of paperwork for you so that you know what services are available and you know what's going on. Yes, you have an in-room guide. It's really nice, you guys, like nicer than I expected it to be. And I don't know why, because we have sailed with Norwegian previous, and I'm going to talk about in the next video, which will be a lot shorter, because these videos, I'm going to try to make them like less than 20 minutes each. The next video, I am going to talk about how to get the best price on a cruise, and with you just being a normal person out in the world. So you're not getting a hookup. You're not gambling a ridiculous amount of money at some casino and getting a discounted price on one of their ships. This is just you being a normal family person out in the world, and you deserve to get a better price when you can. And also, I will tell you about some of the things that were added to my cruise package, which made it even better. So thank you all. Please hit the hype button. It's a new thing that YouTube has that helps small content creators, get a little more power behind a view. And everything is 100% free. You're already watching the video. please give it a thumbs up. And of course, leave an emoji down below to tell me how you feel about this video. And any comments, I love the comments. People will tell you that I reply to every single one. And in addition, if you have any like thoughts on what you just saw in as far as this room goes or this cabin goes, please leave that down below as well, because I will be going on more excursions, and I really would like to make sure that anything I'm covering, or if I'm missing anything, you guys let me know so I can take care of it. All right, take care. Be well.